Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Super Center, and we're taking a look at the 2019 Ford F-350 in a platinum trim and powered by a 6.7-liter Power-Stroke Turbo Diesel V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. And as you can tell, it has a very sizable lift on it, giving you quite a bit of height, and with power deployable running boards, so you can actually get into the truck. But let's take a look inside. And looking into the back seat, we have comfortable seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal your collapsible storage box underneath, which can be locked at the hinge for added security. And in the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having two more right there with a 12 volts, two USBs, 110 volt power outlet, and heated rear seats. This truck has a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You have power folding and telescoping towing mirrors, and three memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and mirrors. You also have massaging front seats, which is always nice for those long road trips. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 81,554 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. And on the left, you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, fuel history, and compass. Then you have your truck info with your gauges, tire pressures, digital speedometer, engine info or diff fluid status, and then engine info, transmission temperature, towing information, off-road status, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. Digital climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats, or heated steering wheel actually. Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen so you're hopefully not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera with a full 360 view so you can see all around your truck. Of course, the screen is not actually flickering like that, that's just the video. Above that, you have your diesel exhaust brake, traction control shutoff, hazards, lane keeping system, and your camera view again with your forward-facing camera. And you have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate, but also heated and air-conditioned front seats. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential, trailer brake controller, and on the right, you have a 12 volt and 110 volt power outlet. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, as well as your tow haul mode button at the end of the stock. Moving on, you have this compartment here with two USBs. You have your two cup holders, which can be turned into four if you please, and your center compartment, lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Ton of room inside, including another 12 volt power outlet, so you can plug something in from there too. And then, looking back, you have a power sliding rear window. Looking up, you have 6 upfitter switches, which can be wired up however you please. And last but not least, you have a twin panel moonroof, so you can land in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.